And welcome back. Football is where we begin. Jamaica as the Reggae Boys kicked off their 2026 World Cup qualifying campaign with a 1-0 win over the Dominican Republic in their Group E contest at the National Stadium this afternoon. Shamar Nicholson scored the lone goal of the game in the 16th minute. Reid could have sent the Jamaicans 2-0 ahead, but missed a 73rd minute penalty. The result means the Jamaicans join Guatemala on 3 points in the group, but are second on goal difference. And the Reggae Boys will next be in action on Sunday when they play away to Dominica in their second group game. And Dominica lost 6-0 to Guatemala in their contest on Wednesday night. Meanwhile, head coach of the Reggae Boys, Hamer Holgrimson, reflected on the encounter.
In general, it was too slow for my taste. We are not used to playing, or these strikers, for example, with all their individual quality, are not used to playing in a two-striker formation. So we need just time to get them to sync a little bit better.